Hello, my third grade friends, and we are doing the answers for week 10, day 4 math review. So let's get started. Remember, work 10 minutes, do your best. You have this written, you have this packet somewhere, and then you're correcting if you got things wrong. And if you solve it a different way, that's totally fine. As long as it's correct. Okay, so how much more did the park's electric bill cost in July than in May? Okay, so and you had to read the page, so hopefully you were able to see it. So in May, it cost $90. Okay, so and then in June it cost $126, and then in July it was $144. So we are looking at the May and July bills. So how much more? Hopefully you're like, ooh, that sounds like a difference. And when I need to know the difference between things, I need to subtract. So we're going to come right over here, and $144 for July is going to be on top, right? And then we're going to subtract May, because May is less than, so $90 for May. And then we will get our difference. So 0 minus 4 minus 0 is 4. Now I could borrow, but if I borrow here 0 and make that a 14, it's still 14 minus 9, or 140 minus 90. So I could do it this way. 14 minus 9 is, so if I have 14 and I subtract 9, so 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. I just did 9 fingers. So 50 or 5, so $54 difference. Okay, if you can remember, whenever you hear like what's the difference or how much more, that's going to be subtraction. So $54 difference. Okay. Oh, we're still doing another money thing. So we have $3.42 Nellie has, and she gives Vanessa 4 quarters. How much does Nellie have left? Well, 4 quarters, okay, that's 25, 25, 25, and 25, okay? Well, that's equal to $1. Okay, and if she has, so we subtracted this, and now, so she got rid of $1. So if we have $1, $1, and 42 cents, so I'm going to make a dime, a dime, a dime, a dime, and 2 cents, 1, 1. So that's really how much money she has. Well, if I drew this out, well, I gave away one of my dollars. Okay, so there that dollar goes, 4 quarters. I will have left a dollar, so that's $2. 10, 10, 10, 10, that's 40 cents and 2 pennies. So I solved this using a drawing, which is another way you could solve this. Maybe you did it differently, and that's totally fine. So draw 2 different shapes that each have 5 sides. Okay, so 2 different shapes that have 5 sides. So that's my cue. Well, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's one. And a different shape that might have 5 sides would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 different shapes. 2 different, they each have 5 sides. So this could be anything for you, okay? Just make sure your shapes have 5 sides. And 26 plus 17. So I'm going to do the break apart method. 20 and 6. See where I got that one? And 17, so 10 and 7. So 6 plus 7 is 13. And 20 plus 10 is 30. And if I add these together, I'm going to get, well, if I add these 2 together, that's 4. And if I add these 2 together, 0 and 3, that's a 3. So it's 43. Okay, so please be sure to correct if you've missed any. Take a clear picture of your work. You need to make sure whatever you turn in, I can see that you've I can see your work, not just answers. And the question, the word of the day is going to be mashed potatoes. Potatoes. Those are my favorite. Yes. Those are my favorite Thanksgiving side. Mashed potatoes. Okay. Good job, guys, and I'll see you later.